All right, so it is snowing in the wonderful land of Illinois. And we're gonna go break out my John Deere 420 with my newly purchased snowblower and see at least if it will blow some snow. Hopefully, because I have no idea if it works well or not. All right, here she is. The only downside is that the splines in here are stripped out on it. So this can be a fool's game as to whether or not I can even get out of here. So if it steers and if it has traction, I'll snowblow. If it doesn't, well, this video won't even make it to YouTube, so you'll know that answer pretty quick. Yeah, she's a little cold now. Also made the mistake of backing in instead of going in, but see, I got enough steering, but it's not quite enough. So yeah, we're up to about 2 or 3 inches of snow, as you guys can see there. Oh yeah, I got a bad feeling this is gonna get me in trouble. Yeah, I don't have enough ass end to do this hardly. Just to kind of give myself a bit of a path here. It's still a little cold, so I'm gonna see what happens. Oh yeah. That does pretty good, other than the fact it's a little gotta go with the wind here. Yeah, she does pretty good actually. I'm a little hard up for traction, of course, but once I get on the rock it shouldn't be too bad. Not quite good enough on rock. It's not hard packed enough to really use it just yet. So it's not doing too bad though if it doesn't hit any rock.